Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Richard in Connecticut on its RCI-69FFB4. Richard, we got it ready to go for you. We put your amp on off switch right here on the noise blanker. Push it in, the amp's on. We'll start the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, 10 watts of carrier. Roll the RF power all the way up. 1000 watt slug, 100 watts of carrier. We'll roll it back down. I'll show you average power swing first. Low, right about 200 bird average. Go to peak power. Low, about 610 peak. Alright, Richard's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.